Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on iPad 2018 6th generation model. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is required to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we are using a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad 2018, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the flex cables attached to the logic board. To lift the touch screen, take the direction like opening a book but from left hand to the right hand side. Open and place it like an open book till removing the LCD screen. Next, take off the LCD screen by undoing screws. There are sticky tapes covering the screw heads. Move aside and remove 4 screws. And then lift the screen to 90 degrees by the top and disconnect the plug by undoing 3 screws and the shield. Next, unplug both touchscreen connectors by the socket and then peel the tape and raise the tab to take out the Touch ID connector. Next, undo the screw on top of the battery connector and undo 3 more screws to release the shield on top. Next, starting from the top right, disconnect both rear and front cameras, headphone jack and microphone plugs, and then slowly raise the board using a pry tool by the top. Also, do not forget to undo the button plug while peeling the tape. Next, using a pry tool, gently cut the adhesive and raise the board by the top. And then slide in a pry tool and keep it steady till you take out the battery. By doing this, we can create enough space to pull out the battery. Next, to take out the battery, it may need some more heating on the battery side. If you are using a heat gun, be cautious and apply the heat to release the battery's adhesive. Again, we are using the heating pad but on the rear side where the battery locates. Next, use a couple of pry tools to lift the battery and cut the adhesive on the bottom. Be gentle and raise the battery slowly while cutting the glue. The bottom of the connector, the sticky can be a little strong. Be careful and slowly cut the adhesive to pull out the battery by using a pry tool. There is no connector plug and the battery pins are touching the logic board pins. Next, place the new battery in the correct connector slot and take out the supporting pry tool on the board. Next, slightly push the logic board to sit accurately in the body. Next, connect both cameras, microphones, headphone jack and button flex into the board. Verify the connections are secured and add the screw on top of the battery connector. And then place the shield and insert 3 screws. Finally, start adding the front screens. First connect both touchscreen connectors and then the Touch ID flexed. Next, plug the LCD connector and add the shield by inserting 3 screws. Place the LCD on the body and ensure the screen sits securely. Next, insert 4 screws on all 4 corners by the screen. Next, to clamp up the iPad 2018, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue or new double-sided pre-cut adhesive. Take the closing book direction and place the digitizer on the body. Place the bottom section first and then follow the bottom. And then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides and verify the home button sits and clicks precisely. In here, we are using screen bonding clips to tighten the screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave it for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.